The Chief Minister has said that the government has vested powers upon the DCs on the decision to allow plying of commercial vehicles, bearing in mind that it must not exceed the mark of 20% availability of said commercial vehicles.
Will be allowed to permit commercial vehicles to work on ply, depending again on the districts and depending again on the areas, again up to 20%, which means that the commercial vehicles, the numbers, depending on the area and depending on which district it is in, the deputy commissioners may decide 5% of the commercial vehicles can function. Some may decide 10%, some may decide 15%, but they cannot go beyond 20%. All depending on the positivity rate and the local conditions in terms of COVID that is there in the concerned district and the regions and the specific locations that we mentioned. Apart from that, the other lockdowns, the other containments like large public gatherings and other gatherings will not be allowed, and those again will remain. And also, as I said, the deputy commissioners, depending on the locations, will have the power to not allow any of this to also happen. So they may decide to have 0%. For especially districts like West Jayantha Hills, from the cabinet, we have recommended that in West Jayantha Hills also, certain degree of strict lockdown must continue as the positivity rate is above the roof right now. 33% is a very, very high positivity rate.